The name of the developer that created this watch face goes by the name of AXXO. The name of the watch face is called AXXO Speed. Now, I thought the developer really slammed this one, so I'm giving him 6 thumbs up in the door for creativity and design. I thought he did an awesome job on this watch face. Now, let's have a look at it. In always on mode, you're gonna get a black and white theme, and it looks okay, not bad at all, but the watch face really starts to shine when it's on. In the door, I really like this two-tone effect. You got a nice colorful background, and the numbers are different colors, makes the watch face really stand out. Now, it is an analog watch face. You will get a digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds, and it also gives you a PM stamp. Now, in this dial, you're gonna get your step information, your floors climbed, and also your heart rate. Over here, you're going to get the day of the week and also your date. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. And again, at the top, there's your digital time. I like the nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. And you got really creative with the hands as well. So again, 6 thumbs up, well worth it. Now, he gives you 5 shortcuts, right? If you tap on the 10, the 12, the 2, the 4, and the 6, you can set your shortcuts to whatever you want them to be. So if you want to set it on, let's say, Find My Phone, I can set it on Find My Phone. All you got to do is tap there and it's going to bring it up. I thought the developer did an awesome job, but we are not done yet. Now you get 12 customizable colors to this. Double tap in the center. Look at the two-tone color. I'm loving the look of this one. Very unique. I haven't seen nothing like this yet on any other smartwatch. I thought the developer definitely did great with the colors on this one. For $1, it is well worth it, people. Well worth it. So you're going to get 12 colors in all. They're all beautiful. Now, I like this black. Now, I play this black for if I'm going out on the town and I'm dressing up, because this watch face does give off a luxury, elegant look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I'm hoping you're enjoying the rest of your Sunday, getting your relax on so you can get ready for the Monday grind. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.